A tense calm prevails in Mountain View, St. Andrew as warring gangs have been on a shooting rampage which escalated last evening. As TVJ's Anthony Lugg reports, frustrated residents are questioning whether the police are capable of bringing the violence under control.
On Friday morning, motorists traveling along Mountain View Avenue in St. Andrew were being redirected by the police. The reason? Rival gangs from Jakes Road and Goodridge Lane trading bullets. This shootout was triggered by the killing of a resident of Goodridge Lane shortly after 8 Thursday evening. He has been identified as Bobby Perry, also known as Bojo. When we visited the area, there was increased security presence and residents were tight-lipped. One lady who did not wish to appear on camera spoke with our news team.
About 5 weeks now, we live with them. I come down pan Byron Road and a fire shot down pan Goodridge Lane. And look how far Byron Road, Goodridge Lane is from Jakes Road.
Residents of Jakes Road, however, pointed fingers in the opposite direction. But what caused the flare-up? The police have revealed that the violence is linked to a disagreement involving men working on a housing development in the area. Head of the East Kingston Police Superintendent Victor Hamilton says men from Jakes Road and Goodridge Lane accused each other of stealing work material from the site.
We made intervention. I went to the area personally, spoke to persons, and the following day, the plyboards were returned. I felt certainly, that though there were tensions, that the return of the plyboards would see the resumption of work. And in fact, work resumed on a minimal scale. But then it would appear as if persons weren't satisfied with just the plyboards being returned.
So it's not clear what it will take to bring the ongoing feud between the two gangs under control. There have been several interventions by the security forces, and now there's increased police and military presence. What's clear, however, is that the residents in these communities are desperately calling for it to stop.
We're tired of it. I'm not sure about pressure. Now I have pressure. And because of them. My son can't go to school.
Talk to me about how your kids reacting to all of this.
Them traumatized. Me have one little baby, 1-year-old baby down there. And when they shot them start fire, him jump out of time, sleep on a ball.
With both communities now on edge, residents from both sides have questioned whether the police are capable of bringing the violence under control.
Want to reassure the residents that the security forces combined can and will bring peace and stability to their communities.
Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.